So, what if I want to use this assembly for sub-assembly? How can I do it? Well, I can take new assembly. I take new and isometric assembly. And I open that folder again. And I take this asennuslevy part like this. Okay. And now I want to put this assembly on the top of that plate 3 times. Well, how can I do it? Here is my assembly. Well, I just take this whole assembly and I take mate, this one, okay, and then I take axial align, like this. After that I take next one. And next one. Okay, so now I have a big assembly. I can save this one. Main assembly. Okay. And if you look this history tree, you can find all those parts here 3 times. Okay. And of course now I can make also drawing for this one. New and drawing of active model. Drawing view layout custom. Okay. And now I can take also part list for that one. Now you can see this part list. Here is asennuslevy, this one, and also you can find here 3 times this assembly. So here you can see that part list is very short. Here is only this asennuslevy and sub-assembly 3 times. So if I want to create list where you can find every single parts, you can do it. I can take this list and change properties and list control, and if I change that top level list to atomic list. Okay. So now this is atomic list. So atomic list will show how many parts you will need when you make this system. Okay. And if I take this one and I take exploded list, all parts and sub-assemblies, then I will get list where I can find part, sub-assemblies and every parts. So it depends little bit how you use your product's control system, which list you will need. So you can select here top level list, atomic list or exploded list. Okay,